you talk about the work for Bema Arena for year for standard.
How many?
3 months now, I'll go back to car, I'll go collect my 5-year document.
Okay, how many?
I don't feel life for you. Not the reason me, sister, I beg.
How many years it did now when you there Amsterdam?
2 years.
They don't give you paper?
No, I will collect a 3 months now. I'll go back to car.
Are you tell no say the one? Are you tell no say the one give you for 3 months time?
I not gonna get to play for Italy again. I thought the Netherlands citizen.
But how you can't know say the one give you in 2 months time? They don't already write you paper.
They'll give me now. I don't plan.
Okay, now which church you go this end of year? The professor.
Yes, that's what I get you now.
Talk and say na pastor talk. Okay, na pastor professor.
You know, I get you for around me. I just can't of you again. Let me tell you my master. Where you are back away picture where the real one follow.
Okay, Mudia, where am I?
He beg away Facebook. Where work a couple? Where is Monica for no like? The
Monica will have a lobo shine your shine.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Okay, where the program in there?
And April, never. I just those kinds of people, other kinds those kinds of stores, those kinds of you are first one I like. Always actually. They can where you for come for Ishan? Where you for come for Ishan? Epoma.
Epoma itself. Where Egware Udumu? Ogboju. Ogboju Joshua. We follow there.
New market. My house dey back of I love to call I love to tell you everything she start.
Hey yeah, I know Ogboju Joshua.
I want me to see for standard and I come play with me. I don't hear your name. I love
okay, wait. How old you dey? How old are you?
I've been 35 years.
35. How many children you don't forget?
My son are for Nigeria and 14 years. I get one picking or but one born before for me.
Okay, wait. What of you? How many children you get for you?
Me never born for you. Me not get woman for you. Then me the time. I don't like you.
Okay, but me for social media where you know me na single mother. I dey ask.
For Facebook, no put up for your. So I beg, yeah. I just now waiting my thing I tell you. Not pay to send me con. I'm not I tell you. I beg, yes, sir.
Okay. Me na single mother for social media.
No.
Okay, me na married woman.
No, me never think this like that. I don't like your own swag.
Then let me the talk soon. You say you know Monica Lobo for social media. Me na married woman for social media.
I never see your husband, but I see your children. Yes, I never see your husband.
Okay. But you be the thought just now say you want greet my husband if he did there, may you greet him.
No, I've been saying that you my five woman, no man went to for left. No, not to where I now. Well, must stop.
Okay, you don't talk for feel your own manness now. If man see fine thing go talk, abi?
Yeah.
No, that one not me say it go just me now, abi?
Like me now.
Okay, today na weekend. Where you don't waka go?
For now, waiting my curiosity, my mom say I should follow my dream. If you need
your mom say me follow your dream.
You can speak, you cannot touch. Freestyle, she like, yeah, no more. Okay. This one a weekend now. Where you don't waka follow today? Which bar you for the drink so? Me there.
Okay, how many you don't wash today?
See, I say my people, they don't people to the top there. for this time, they don't know me. I know the answer. People when I love, like the glad my uncle, my.
Let me dey talk. So how many bottle you don't wash down this weekend? So
Yes, like today I watched like 3 movies. Yeah.
no bottle drink. I mean drink. Akpetechi. How many you don't drink?
No, like me, sometimes I dey smoke like 2 times a day. Like when I come
smoke.
from work, I smoke like 1 time. I dey drink, you know, I get my father, you know, smoke, they drink with my friend. Can you hear the music?
Weed or nothing.
Now, which one be the igbo where you igbo? Now weed, igbo, abi na cigarette.
No, me no dey smoke cigar. No, I don't smoke. I don't smoke cigarette. Only smoke, I dey smoke.
Okay, so now igbo.
I dey drink beer, like I dey drink like 3 or 2. I'm okay now.
Okay, now igbo you don't go now. Then you can't smoke. You can't drink, join am.
Sister Monica, no go cast me. Oh, this one they ask me many questions, sister.
Okay, now be say you don't first see this type of thing where say I dey do am well. Shebi?
I know.
Now be say you just know and do. You know and do. Because for you to say, Sister Monica, not do me like that, meaning you don't first watch the video where me do people like that. But for that video, you they always see say at the end of the day that they know say me na married woman.
No,
Then why you go still say you want try?
I don't see your children. Your children, they are never see your husband.
Okay, if you know, my husband a social media person. My husband a social media person.
I don't know. I mean, no.
If you not come see my husband, you see my children, and I say I'm married. Is they okay like that now?
Okay. Sorry, sister. Okay, sister. Sorry, no better.
Na mommy. Na.
Okay.
Wait.
Your friend will still like that. Your friend, they I like how when
Which of wait, me I fit correct you one. Wait, me I correct you one. Because you they call me sister. That's why you say, Sister Monica, me I go call her. If you say mommy Monica, you must get fear. Shebi you say you they watch me, why you don't know my name? What it be my name?
Sister Monica.
No, mommy Monica Lobo, aka Shine Your Shine. Mommy Monica.
Yeah.
You not talk about you just they say yeah.
Mommy Monica.
Good.
Lobo.
Yes.
Mommy Monica.
Yeah. Lobo.
That's my shining Monica Lobo. Yeah, you know say the change. Monica Lobo.
That Sister Monica make you they do the one way not right. You say mommy Monica Lobo. After you don't talk mommy Monica, anything you can't talk join a problem not dey.
Okay, mommy Monica Lobo.
Good. You say na 2 years.
I don't take that my sister out to my senior sister. Any my feeling where I don't get out, they tell you, yeah. You might want to carry out my senior sister from out for Europe, your day for Netherlands, Mama, yeah.
Good. Mama, good. Na so. And you say na 2 years. 2 years you dey now for Europe.
Me don't dey Germany for Germany because the person go back to Italy. I come for Canada. I just spent 2 years for Germany, like 2 years now for Netherlands, 4 years in Europe. I don't feel like mommy Monica Lobo.
Good.
We never been 4 years now. I don't like 3 years plus. I entered 2 now. Okay, you need better
relationship of your age mates. You hear? If your eye they date the one wey not reach your hand, it not go good for you. Look for woman of your type, woman wey still newly come like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. You hear? No go carry woman wey don't come since 19 no dates.
I'm not content one. Let me define. I don't say if you talk of
you go German first lady they do cup. You go there, you go register.
I'm not there for that one. This one, not the one that they announce. So
I mean one can't look for a woman and my own they announce also. Me I dey answer. Now they tell you so. You go look for woman wey come 2 years ago. You go come the swag am. If you give the woman money, no sabi swag, tell am make come buy for Monica hand. I go sell you my hair for her, I'll sell cream for her, I'll sell am earring, I'll help am other things for AliExpress. All the bling bling trash shoot wey go take the shine. I go sell for her. Before you know, it go be like Monica. You understand? Then for night, you go give am food. Daytime, you go give am food. Before you know, your body go make yoko. You hear?
Yeah, okay. Mommy Monica.
Yeah?
Okay, you know, 50 meeting when I want my money in like one of your friends. If you who I don't forget his name, that who I know they talk about that for program.
If you not be my friend and my sister, but I just dey advise you now, say no carry woman wey don't come lack baro. You just come. But if you don't come, if you they go close to 15 years, if you first speaking na 14 years. If you first speaking na 14 years, you want carry?
My son are 40. I don't tell you now. My son are 40 years for Nigeria. Now me don't 48 or 20 years. Now 35 years now.
But me, mommy Monica, they advise you now. No carry all those one we don't say. Carry the one we newly come. We now fit grow together. No carry the one we go wrong like Kevin. You know see what that they do with Kevin for social media now.
I see everything.
Why you want go carry that one again? All these women we don't say that you know they feel play them while you again. They go they look you, lick my nyash, lick my leg. Now they go use you do. If me na single mother, my dear, I go they use you do what you as you just be. So if my house dirty, I will say make you come. You go clean everywhere for me. If you clean and finish, I'll say make we go drink. You will pay put for the drink finish. I'll tell you say oh appointment don't come. My pikin they come. I'll leave you for bar. I'll come out. Meanwhile you don't clean my ass. You see huh? Because I'll say the insult where you give me now. What I will use you do be this. Che you see huh?
When you come after that, I see you one I see you, mama. Never see for ground.
Oh yeah, go continue to they do your drink. My people, una pele agbin lo ni sayata. I don't cut and since.
No, he don't shack. He don't.
If he no be bodika, he don't go be bodika. Oh my God, my people. Very funny people. All this idare the way una conte dey desperate. Iyan logu wa and all this old mami dem. Make una dey deal with idare wey insult una like that. If your ass dirty, you see wetin Zimbabwe woman use Kevin do. You will say go wash plate. Shebi you love me. You want me. Oh yeah, wash plate. He go wash am. Come spread my children bed. He go spread am. Come go throw away dirty. He go throw away am. Come go make sure he come. He go make am. Everything if you don't cook and finish, you carry and go bar. Mona go drink for bar. You go buy coffee. You go dey drink. After some time, you tell am say wait for here. Wait me. I go take something for inside car. Who enter car? You will leave am for there. If una never they show the 9-9, they not go know say make they go look for their age mates. When I newly come abroad, my husband also newly come. He used 2 years they come before me. We suffer see each other. I will story one picture put them for social media tomorrow. We make they follow each other. They go. Can't get children wey grow past us today. Imagine person wey spend 2 years for abroad. If they look for woman wey get 14 years old abroad pikin. Wetin you want offer? You no get paper. You have nothing to offer. Una just carry una this thing. I don't understand. 2 years old man wey dey abroad. Man wey dey spend 2 years for abroad. For me, I feel say still dey smell Africa. So that's why you go still carry woman wey dey 2 years because two of una go dey smell Africa together. No go carry person wey don't get you body. You go come bring your African back swing before they go buy roll-on. We go cure Africa smell. They will come they buy or Rabi we go cure Africa smell for after happy to you come enter teeth. You come they wash it teeth smell for the white like abroad though. After that you can go buy correct Gillette shaving stick we go take shave we make quack. No mu kek belly biare. Then from there you can go dey look for cream. When you take rub the leg, make your leg not they cut you for bed. We make kia. Me understand. I been a neck cutter. When you take cut the finger, we make I beg. 2 years to 2 years in abroad. Please. If by chance, by mistake, you ever see any woman we don't say, we carry you, be grateful. Be grateful. Don't try it. Don't say because you work for Sister Dortmund. Say Sister Dortmund. That time Sister Dortmund also now still idare person we get passport, give am paper, quick get paper. She too was just like 2 years old for abroad. That's why if he carry idare also. He no good idare. Idare, please. Look for your idare also. Camp to camp. Caravan to caravan. Just imagine man where they I don't understand though. Have they hook up in nothing when they so see a fear. You know? That's why women, please, if you newly come abroad, your boyfriend all and well, maybe you not can use after 20-something years, 18 years, 15 years. Can't go they look for hook me up. They look for hook up, they go. Now the kind of way you go they see for hook up be this. Yesterday, I hook up somebody, see what happen. He pay me, but yeah, it don't happen, it don't happen. One girl on the CEO. One girl, he don't take for abroad. Say he did 12 years for abroad. He get paper, he don't dey work. Okay? And then he don't say when he dey wash us, he be don't dey use organic cream, he don't dey use human hair, he don't clean up well in a babe. So, and he too don't they use Snapchat.
Snapchat, okay.
They take picture.
Okay.
So now she can't come inside hook up. Mommy hook me up. Okay. Who did they see for hook up? Now mostly idare. Mostly idare or men negbogbe after first woman. Every time when 19 years, hook up now by chance, 10% chance. Either you see good.
Is that for the experience?
Yeah, honey. Yeah. From my experience, idare hook up na 10%. You understand? Because either you see God use good idare to bless you. You understand? We go really can become good person. Or for inside hook up, you can see one ediwan where they don't use until you not get up again. Go fair. Now, say person when just complete go come inside hook up na lie. Anybody will believe that one, the person they lie. And some women, why they still they come hook up is because maybe inside village where they dey nothing. And some of them also they don't look good. Not be by God born you fine for face.
Hold on. Can we go back to that chick that cleans up and looking for you?
Okay. Now, okay. Let's go back there. So now you can come hook up. I can register and down.
Yeah.
Now one boy can still come hook up idare. I can register and down. But as the boy take talk, he no get paper. Now idare 4 years. Now it be no paper. But they work. They very nice. They talk. The guy.
Okay.
They very responsible. He no be like all these bastard idare. He have idare. Yeah, shy.
Wait. Idare, let's get it straight. Idare is just those newcomers. What is the year now? Let's say 2 years.
Only.
At At least 2 years.
Not only 2 years.
Okay, now Idare. How many years do we now?
5 years. Then be Idare.
Okay.
Till 5 years we no get paper.
Okay, no.
If you be Idare, you get paper immediately, eh?
Oh, 5 years is quite long. Whether paper or no paper.
No. You see Idare, we no get paper for 5 years long.
Yeah.
Now still Idare character I get to.
Well.
Now Idare character
Okay,
you just
fine.
still get majority of them, not all, but majority.
Yeah, okay, then. Let's go back to the subject.
Okay.
matter now. Okay.
The subject matter, okay. So now I carry now I tell the girl, one boy they very responsible. Despite say na Idare, he no get paper, but very responsible.
Okay.
And this girl, he clean.
Good.
He don't, you know,
Don't
okay now.
wash your- okay.
So
You don't
now,
blink.
he don't blink.
Okay.
He no be, she no be Idare, she na 12 years.
Yeah, okay. That's
So now I can't work them together. The girl can say be sound good, bring picture come. The I can send picture to the girl. The girl can say, hey, this one oh. He go say he work with day body not be small. I can say not be work with day body they look. Na heart.
okay.
How you hear and talk just now, how you feel say it be for heart, for talking. That they know grandma by talking. You understand? It be like innocent person, he talk gentle, he's very responsible. That's why only paper he no get. And you know how paper they be for abroad. If you don't get paper, who are you na Africa, if man not get money, abroad, if you don't get paper, oh, salopwa. No me say. I mean, I not believe you, because if there was if you get paper, if you get sense, you for use that sense, take get paper. I don't know why it be like that for abroad.
Ik mis een paar centjes.
En hoeveel kost het?
Zet ik zo,
Maar wat wil jij kopen eigenlijk?
cornflakes.
Ook een cornflakes? En
Ja,
wat
dan
kost
hadden ze
het?
daar gekocht. Die kost letterlijk 3 pound.
Ja.
En dan met melk kost 1. Dan kost samen.
Ja, we hebben we melk. We hebben die beste melk. Ik heb de pietmie gekocht. Kijk daar.
Deze.
Ja.
Is dat melk?
Ja, dat is melk.
What is milk?
Dat is melk.
Ja. Maar waar je andere melk
Dat is
kopen?
Afrika
Misschien
melk.
die watermelk of zoiets.
Ja, zulke melk. Gewoon normale melk.
Maar dit is ook gewoon normaal. Dit is gewoon lekker yummy.
And they no fit drinker. Leave and make go bed there.
Nou, maar koop gemaakt van wat je wil. Ja?
Do onze dat dit.
At least money kan
Ja.
Dat dit.
Mama, hoeveel pounds is dit?
Nee.
Oh,
Tell
50.
me.
Oké, dat is.
Okay, fine. This guy they go that shop more than 5 times a day. Easy, they know too much.
No, Monica, say Monica, see Monica. He go finish on this bag. If this point never finish, stop it now there. I open and they there for him. May come back,
I
me
was
see
driving
what
back
you
from
do.
work. I saw her crossing over the road. I said, hey, that's Monica. She's going back to the shop again. Just to go buy Snoop, she will go to the shop. Chocolate, she will
So now the girl can say okay, oh, but the way the boy look just get work for body somehow. You understand? Now say body heart good oh, person way they are broken. Okay. So okay. Then now the boy can still call for back also. You understand? After 3 of us don't talk, one can call back.
Yeah.
So the boy can say the woman don't send picture. Oh, mama, I dey fear. I can say why? He said because the woman too clean. Oh, he don't just say. He don't just say.
Oh my God.
That's why some me that way go say I point and key. I like that your friend Lola. I like that your friend Monica. How they want that. If you really see me, your feet or your get dick. I don't understand. Listen now. Then the boy say, if you don't send a picture, no call me a girl, block your number, and the like that kind of thing. So then he say, the woman is too clean, oh. He don't know whether I go like him, oh. Now say you cut leg, you cut hand. He say no, mama, you know Europe women nah. As this one don't clean rich like this, the girl carry you my hair be like me water. You wear bone short, all body made double like president girlfriend.
Papa.
Ma, is that what you will?
Yeah.
Okay, then go and make your food and stop disturbing. Yeah, thank
Happy
you.
New Year, Happy New Year to you, Tessie baby. Happy New Year to the new people we are never first. Happy
You
New
there
Year.
live?
Live on my Instagram. They suffer, they enjoy you. Live
Man,
it.
Well,
Either they can try themselves. Somebody said they can try themselves. For real, eh? Those people, they get mind. Oh God.
look, man is just
Hey!
man. Whether him rich or poor.
Man
Horrible
is just
and
a man. Whether he rich, poor,
horrible and
fearful. The only difference is whether he rich or evil.
whether he good or evil.
Evil, yeah.
That's the difference.
Okay?
Wow.
Now reggae music we sing for una soul.
But wait till you really did life or you
I
joke.
did my Instagram. I put that boy for Instagram because if they call like that,
But why you not tell me say you did like they go put me for that? What does that mean?
we just dey discuss, man. They don't see your face now.
Anyway, they don't hear my voice do it.
That they pull out self, put their
Ik had deze wereld dus weggeschoten. En Joe
Maar waarom heb je
heeft
dat nou gedaan? Jij of Jibbo?
Joe heeft het aangedaan. En toen ging die hele tijd...
Boven in die kamer?
Nee, hier.
Oké.
Aangedaan. En toen weet je wat hij deed? Zo, kijk, en dan ging hij zo. En dan deed hij zo, en dan deed hij zijn hand ervoor. En deed hij kijk. En dan nam hij hem boven mee. Op de trap deed hij de hele tijd zo dicht bij mijn gezicht.
Echt waar?
Letterlijk.
Oké, dan is gewoon maak maar je eten en wegwezen.
Oké, heb je een...
Dank je wel. Kom aan, we zullen zoeken.
Oh ja, natuurlijk. Ik ook.
Ja man.
So my people. So now the boy can't talk. Say, oh, in the fear the woman too clean. Oh, and they be like, and they be just match. The girl is 32 years, the boy is 35 years.
Wait, okay, just 3 years difference.
3 years.
Oh, perfect match. Man.
Perfect. This one never fair bon. This one never fair bon. The boy say he no one woman we don't fair bon. The two they get stress. He no fit. He no be person.
And the girl does
And the girl also say he no one person we don't fair bon for anywhere. So as they you be they talk waiting they no one. Everything just match. This one come for Yeko via the other one come for Yeko via this one
Really?
not get mama papa
From the
again mama again this one not get it. Everything just match. You understand?
What is
So
match?
the picture the boy come for the fear say oh mama you sure because Europe women if they don't become fine like this they no dey even give us eye. Maybe because of you na this woman go give eye oh. But he say me I send picture come mama
So
I dey fear.
So Zilla.
Zilla. I dey fear. I don't send a picture. I don't know whether I go like am. Oh, I be don't like the girl, but he be don't like the girl when he never see the picture. When he come see the picture,
Yeah.
he still like the girl, oh, but he can't fear. He can't get that. He can't get that fear like oh, why I can't dey drink see this girl no finish man. I can't say no. Oh my God! I said, lie. I said,
Really?
oh, I said no fear. You can't really pay me. I said no fear. I'll talk to her. I'll see.
Yeah.
It's so cute, but you just know for a man say no work.
No, quickly go on.
So
Dragging
okay.
it too much, man.
Now the girl, I call the girl. Alpha, you don't see a picture. And that one say, Mama, I don't see a picture. No. Ah, where you want start from? He say he friends. Now say if na friend, no good though. Na heart, na there be the look oh, because if na so you dey use because of friends, say they choose man, na make you reach where you dey. So we be say na inside hook up you come dey. You understand? Then it's okay. with his friends where he dey for here, he go get as he be o. They'll come dey laugh and say, "Yo, idaro huya." Idaro yamu. Then if she come say make she dey clean am up, just now. If you don't clean it, that finish. At that time, that they can't get fed that. In the fear. Nah, I think we can't talk. I can't say anyway. In be one move from here. When I tell her say, if now your friends you take they choose boyfriend, now be say you go tell because this that and be just really nice mash up with you. You understand? As you take talk, so more na they talk for line. You no can see you no can see am, but una go dey talk, una go know each other the more. So now they come they talk.
They actually started from. Okay.
They started talking. The third day, the boy wake up. Right, the girl don't block him.
Oh, the discussion didn't go well, right?
Now, say wait till you tell the girl, we make am block you. He say nothing. He go just still wake up. They'll just still talk. He go just still greet am and say, "On your idare money." They'll say, "Hello, good morning. Have you sleep? Hello, good morning. Are you in enemy? Hello, good morning. Are you in enemy?"
It's not true. Come, understand that. This one you recognize as Gary so before they left Nigeria, they were guy men on their own. They were hustlers on their own. They already know everything. That they came into. I understand that. Listen, first, that is what I want to explain to you now. It doesn't matter. Before these guys left Nigeria, they were already men on their own. Trust me.
I know now, they were men, but.
Number one. You have already toasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chicks. Whether on the street, in the church, wherever they ever met, right? That one had already happened before, isn't it? Cool. That they came here in a new environment, they don't know how things work. Actually, shouldn't have degraded them in any way. To be very frank,
now they degrade
listen,
themselves.
it doesn't matter. You think they degrade themselves. Because you have stayed here long, your idea have changed.
Because the way they do.
No, would you judge them with that?
Now some girls they judge. That's why they advise.
I wouldn't say it's right or wrong anyway. But what I'm trying to say is that they just came. Does not minus anything away from them. Secondly, could you up that thing to the one of
I pick them. Because maybe the person wants to put.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Good
Hello,
evening.
ma. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Happy New Year.
Say to you.
How is the family, ma?
We are fine. And you?
I'm fine, ma. Good to go. Mommy, I see the video where you do. I don't know whether I'm today or yesterday. About this guy. This man. This man will be like woman.
Okay, Kevin.
For 2 months. Yes, ma. Mommy, see, I like what you talk because I come across the other YouTubers, the way they talk, like, did you know the entire year? Yesterday I was so down, like I feel bad. But as I come across this thing on my phone, I just click enter. But what you talk, so nice. This is truth of God, I swear to Almighty God. The way you take talk, yeah, like you talk to fight for everybody. You talk to fight for single mother, father, all these things. You just talk over everything. Mommy, wait till we meet you know, say anywhere, any fruit, where any tree, where fruit not there, ants not they enter. Fruit, any tree where fruit there, that ants they enter. And I believe one to say that our state business city, we are great. But enemy is not there. Enemy is.
You they cry? Why you they cry?
Putting me in that I was sitting in the city.
Okay.
Why that name?
That state.
Why that name? Every time that name. Why that name? The open is where?
Medali. You know, say,
Yeah.
even
Yeah,
like
okay.
3 years ago.
Listen to me. Wait, I talk to you.
Mm-hmm.
Because I read and I hear one thing many years ago say the former Oba swear for Benin, swear for Ikoka. I don't know whether Ikoka. Say now the woman go they work for the men to eat. Okay, when I will be social media, especially you will be great, will be big movie on social media, you supposed to invite this Oba with they so. Make me say, make they read. That swear that return that court back. Make that place go better. That place is a great place.
Ew.
That place is a great place.
You don't do not cry. Where you dey? Where you dey? You don't do. You don't do. You things dey with you for there. You get paper, everything dey alright.
Of course, I know. Okay, I'm married.
Okay.
I'm married.
Thank
But
God. Thank God.
I did see some live video, but not live. After the live, because I did work. I know they comment for anybody. Like after live, sometimes I just put movie. So, but sometimes I'll see live video from anybody. I'll just click to enter. Anyone who I just like, I just offer.
You just
Anyone will just say cool. I will sit to watch that video. But that because what they see now, that Benin City last day, but something happened. When we say something happened, something happened with
Medali.
players.
If you talk finish, I go tell you wetin happen. Why it be like that?
Something happened, and number one, that Oba, if father way cause Ikoka, say, no man go better for Ikoka, only the women go they suffer, they feed their husband. That is very wrong. And this Oba will enter, so this man go school. This man studying abroad. He's supposed to bring every course down. But why he no fit bring the course down? Why all these things they happen? Why all these things they happen?
You don't do.
That's why I hear say. That's why I hear say he stop Ashawo. May our ladies know they work, prostitute work. That I was so happy. Like that day, I did happy. I don't even remember the date or the day. I just hear her from fellow friends for me here for Sweden. One woman like that. She just they played the video. Okay, I did happy. But later, this thing now, after this Oba enter, now all these things gonna happen. So if this Oba go fit stop this thing, like with message, make it stop her. Make all these things stop. Make all these things stop. Because this country, because the way they look at, we with the also. And number one, any foreigner will jump us, they always they progress. But other country, other states, other country, you know they know what they pass through for body, but they keep their own. But
you know what?
You know what? They bring our own comment.
Okay, you know what happen for Benin, May I tell you small.
Thank you, ma.
I really say you get hearts for your state. You be real Benin, those state or Anshi or Ishan.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
You be Anshi or you be Ishan.
No, my mom na Benin. That his father na Benin. But after my grandmama or my mom for his father, you know, say that olden days time, only my mom for his dad. So they can't leave each other. He can't go born 5 children for Ishama, Iruama.
Okay, now there you can grow.
Irua.
Okay,
So
okay.
we they blame Isha.
Yes.
But my mom,
Nah.
my late mama, my late mom now Bini.
Okay.
But my auntie and my uncle, they be Isha
Okay.
from Irua.
We all not the
Yeah.
same. I just want to know where you did because of your accent, you know.
No, I dey say Sweden.
Okay.
I dey say Sweden.
My darling, wetin happen, eh? You see that one wey na dey say ikoka. Ikoka something no dey ikoka swear no be for Benin o. E no dey worry Benin today. Kakakaka. Na for Ikoka village and Ikoka time, and that time of that Oba, people wey do that Oba bad thing like that. They no talk say numare gbanedo, awe numare gbani ayawe mi dan. I don't first still talk am for live video when I ask. Only Magos they call you.
Yeah.
You dey understand so? They no say Binimo na dey go. Una no go ever get corporation to take do bad, to take do good thing. No, they say una no go ever get corporation to take do bad thing. You understand? Because that time now their corporation now they take worry that Oba wey dey that time. When this one say I no go again, the other one say I no go serve Oba again, the other one say I no go. Now they take do wetin happen that time. You understand? No being they worry Benin now. You know wetin they worry Benin people now, but you know they worry them again. If for worry them pass this one, if waiting our great Oba do 2 years ago, I be a year ago, if it be not doing. Some people go come and they'll say Benin they serve juju, Benin they serve. No, like wait, like our Oba, they know they serve juju for pala, na tradition that they do because they do according to waiting how God take the lead the king. You understand? King they do a lot of sacrifice. Wey be say, no be to take spoil, no be to take shame you, na to take make the land good because na God na they rule them, na they rule us.
You remember Arosa?
Church.
That Arosa was there before the First World War. Oh, sorry, I was there.
So, my darling, wetin go wrong for Benin people wey our Oba can restore? If it be not do that thing, this thing will not be see. So when you still the crack so, no. If for too much now. 3 years ago, prophecy came, but Benin people not take calm because na live video people now bring and come.
Oh my God.
3 years ago, prophecy came, say Edo State people, fire and brimstone, they come destroy that state. You know why?
You all these Igbo people they see so Igbo. All these Igbo wey they see so, all these Urobo wey they see so, then they do sacrifice, you know, they
no be that, no, my darling, no be even sacrifice. No be sacrifice, be one spoil Benin o. 3 years ago, prophecy came, say Benin fire one come burn the whole Benin. Spiritual fire. People go sleep, they don't go wake up. People go sudden death, young death go they keep people for that Benin until you go finish. Because if God say something, it must come to pass. If they don't stop waiting that they do. Waiting they do that time. That time, picking whenever this virgin. Now Libya people they this virgin them. Papa no care, mama no care. You the yes so. The whole generation of Edo almost turned to prostitute. And the day inside Bible. Bible say, do not prostitute your child. Make you take it. But for more than 20 years, my darling,
everybody,
More than 20 years for Edo State. Now prostitute, they feed papa, mama until they die.
Exactly.
God cannot allow such thing to continue. And Benin people were not seeing this as anything bad. They were even coming out. Many of their children, they make live video that time. Now 5 euros that they do me. I want to make my mama see them. Now I shower with they come do. If you carry any madam, you say, madam, why you go bring this small pikin? You go say, if mama not say na shower, what could do? Which work I get for you? Not be a shower with they do. The thing was so much that God hated. Those people say, "Wawa wulo wa masesi suwai joamere."
Exactly.
So for our Oba, to get that courage that time to say enough is enough. Into they don't bother say, don't see and say. I baby muno die dona no okhyan mi talk by the carry because era origuwe ije origuwe ugo momo. Many girls that time 3 years ago when we they do a shower must to stop. Do you know how many of our girls no womb?
No one they go school.
No womb.
They go school. No one they go school. If one person there abroad,
My darling, don't do.
The other 5 don't go school again. They go just stand for inside room.
Okay,
They
somebody
want to
even
work
say
when
not
they
20
abroad,
years, say 40 years. Now true it go be because since 1980, you are right, my darling. God bless you. I be forget. Since 1980. Where all this Italian mama take they go Italy teen. How many years be 40 years inside? Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
You cut it?
I have not cut it. I cut the girl. I not cut my Instagram. Instagram people.
So
Me I read do not come because I don't be the look.
you are still on the Instagram. Sure.
Instagram lasts for 1 hour.
But however,
Mama, I beg forget this girl.
this girl, yeah,
It really pay her heart.
yeah, that's what I wanted to say. You know, like in the book of Psalm chapter 51 verse 17 says, God will not despise a contrite heart. You know what a contrite heart means, though? A contrite heart, that is a heart that is affectionately touched. God don't go for despise that heart. People don't understand how God works. They think say now when you go church 247.
Oh, it don't do no preach to my people. I know pray. I know
people
pray.
say listen.
Yeah.
You know they hear my voice.
I pray. Oh.
No, I'm far from your mind.
Yeah. Honey,
What happened?
no preach. I know. Thank you. You see, this the way this girl they talk just now. It really they pay the girl. Sometimes that time, I saw the thing they pay me. Where they want kill me. Monica, shut up. The thing go they pay me because I don't understand where somebody will get 8 children. He go send 9 years old picking. Go send 11 years. He go send 13. Go send 15. He go just remain small. Me, I kill that woman. If you see one story, if I play this thing finish because they inside this my audio, I'll play the audio of the girl. Just they play for grandma. They told me you the year. You know even feel listening to her. If you see what person where they from Austria throw away for ground, she fall for ground, her body paralyzed. They use we shirt carry her from Russia go back to Nigeria. Do you know after that girl that he don't heal small, papa and mama carry her for Libya road again. Only I'm telling you.
Well, you don't have to tell me all this. I don't want to hear
those type of things. You know, reach where God go breathe fire come burn them.
I'm not interested.
And if that girl no one go, if mama go they tell her, oh, you want you share cash me. Papa go say you bomb her pikin. Wait till una say make it go do.
Monica, see, that issue in the middle, it is a collective epidemic, not just individualistic. You hear what her excuse is? Not for herself. Oh. You want to make them. Who are them?
People, you want make they laugh me?
Okay, neighbor.
Wait, say
why?
your pikin now you go abroad, they come bring and come out, see as it can be. You must go so that just that he say he can't tell mama when in the road, in the sick, and they rape her, they fuck her, make they leave. If mama say die for them, better pass you come home.
We talk something else.
You see, that's why they tell you any social media you must wait. Okay, you go here, your head go they make boom, 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 boom.
But you know I'm
You come they talk to those type of people. You come you still they talk this type of terrible thing when they make person don't sleep for night. Person still they tell you, you can live your life. Now your business is their business. Now your business.
But that's normal. Very normal. I don't know why I don't take power. Did you really expect everybody to love you?
No, I'm not even love care. Who needs your love?
Maybe 2%. Don't overshoot yourself to 5%.
I don't, honey.
No.
I don't.
Maybe 2. So if you feel like doing anything good, think is helping anybody, yeah, of course.
But that's why it's so irritating when you see the struggle, the suffering. Imagine person wey don spend 12 years for a year. Now they look for boyfriend inside woke up on the thought through. You just say it's normal for that girl.
See.
If Cheche get father, as that girl clean rich, if Cheche get father, they see him for us, say, hey babe, how far? I swear to God, if Cheche get father, say, go walk, come, he go for, if for go.
Okay. Yeah, let us really go back to that discussion just now. Though that it was very boring. Why it go take that long, man? It's too long, man. Okay, fine. You see, both of them joined the book by the cover.
Yeah, the girl most especially. The boy was just na so maybe na.
Both no. Okay, fine.
Na so maybe men we go just see fine girls go first say no, this one no. I'm not sure say go gree for me.
Men are different. Even there are some men, if you don't blink like that, you not get what they take you do. They do.
On the bubble clad, they don't they write that.
They hear now.
He said Ted bumbo clad.
Yeah, man, bumbo clad people. You know, send them, you know. Wait. Monique, how did they end up? So they are not dating now, right?
No, the guy can't block the guy can't become. Now he be that guy where I thought just now say yija, baby women na. He wa console, baby we zing, baby we kwa lomame.
Monique, you know I always tell you, about relationship between man and a woman. There is no way any woman will ever go to a man and start toasting the man like a man would toast a woman, right? I never say a child. Maybe go day movie. Yeah.
Where woman they toast man.
Yeah. You know men.
You never rampart sharp. But some people they
women are too decent, To be, I know, I wasn't expecting women are decent to be decent.
Wait, my Canada friend.
Okay, listen.
Hello, Happy New Year.
Why you speak
Okay, only when you marry life, good. Okay, have you? Say to you. Emata, even with a baby if you were for Igi. Oh, call me on Nagima. The wood. Take. Now the freeway they always.
Somebody want to talk to me?
You don't catch it today.
Hello, hey, Domo, Roger.
Domo. Original.
Same to you. Good evening. How you doing now? Oh, thank you. Thank you, man. Oh, wait, hold on. Ma, did you hear my voice?
No, they know they hear your voice. Now let my own. I beg.
But the camera, the
Instagram camera voice, now you take everything.
Okay, man, sorry, go ahead. We're just having a normal discussion. Usually, I'm just busy doing my normal stuff.
Everything.
And she just decided to be gisting me. I was like, okay, fine, let's gist. But later I discovered that she was actually lying.
I would say, yeah, we call her, they go, make the gist.
Thank you, man. Oh, Wow, that's lovely. Wow. Yes, yes, that is indeed exceptional. Oh, really? Great. Thank you, ma. Abby. Oh, thank you very much, ma. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh, really? Thank you, ma. God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you, ma. Bye-bye. Okay, Ideni Mune. This is not a speak Benin.
Hello.
Ideni Mune.
I make your ear not even day. Okay. Man, I no go me ya vinha go eh. Iwe no double we mu no lucky, we men we here lucky no see o ma ya vinha go be ni go na. Mo se de go me. O. Nina de blue. Okay, ya gwa le mure. Okay. We screenshot e mure. Okay. Yeah, I hear you too. I hear you. Avi. No problem, no day. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, mama. Oh, be they come here. You understand? Oh, yeah, me, I can't live now. I'll go back. I shall be back. Now 1 hour. I be one cut and me and go.
Why you want cut?
Because I want to do. I just day here now. Eti we to. Ima very rock pare. Ima we so. What to ta? My time is like this on it. Every way they go.
That one not go walk.
It's my
because
time.
the work when me also they do, you stop me.
Monica,
I
you
was
have a
walking.
lovely husband, right? That is speak the way he's speaking. You know the year I was speaking, they speak English, me go they speak my own English. Now so we tell it right from the day when he told me. Now so I tell him, say you see this your English continue. Anyone where I speak, you use and answer me. Very quick. The person don't notice. Say, Monica, why can't you speak like? From the day where they told me, I said, you see this your English. You are going to keep it. You will be speaking it. Me, I will be speaking the one I'm very comfortable with. You will be answering me with that your own. I can hear it.
But what's the difference? Is there no difference?
You know they know the difference. They hear the difference. You they speak English. Me they speak pidgin English.
What do you mean English? And they talk Nigerian. Okay. I go speak outside. Just always say you know they hear outside.
Izegbe they greet you.
Yeah. Izegbe. Yeah, Izegbe from Munich, right?
From Munich? Oh no. I don't know why I could they forget their place now. Now that's Aisha.
Izegbe, Voje, Egbe Rawea.
What's it you
Koyo.
do? Why? It's Sagote.
Stuttgart.
Oh, I don't know why I couldn't forget that place.
Stuttgart, yeah. Izegbe, Voje, how my sweet, lovely kids, the twins.
They are fine.
Yeah, lovely. Greet them for me, eh? I love them. Sweet
They
kids.
speak English. I can speak it. Oh yeah, only most speak English.
Wait, what do they mean by English?
What do they mean by English is that this type of English you are speaking, they say I should speak it along with you.
Like me.
But
you not be Hausa accent that they use or Dutch accent or whatever.
They say I should just be, as you are talking with correct English, I should be answering you with correct English. But do you know what? From day one, I didn't learn it. I don't want to do it.
Monica taught me
Even that time, even if I be one learner, you know, say my friends not let me learn.
No.
Because if my boyfriend come, my husband, that time a boyfriend, if he come visit me, my friends where my English even better pass their own. So if my husband just, how are you, my sister? How not dead? He go say, we Monica.
I remember. Oh my God.
So they'll just tell us, say, Shebi you dey hear Bini, You go say small. Kind of, you see, you go no. As we just dey gbele and so, bros, may you just dey speak your own. May you don't let us do our. So if me even say, oh, video wa finish una bye bye. If I even say me I try speak correct, you say I beg. Now so they take spoil me. I for learn they spoil me. So bye guys. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. You'll see me later.